loves, it's your girl Amachundi and welcome back to my channel. In case you're seeing this gorgeous face for the first time, please don't make it your last by hitting the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up if you end up enjoying it. It feels so good to have you here and welcome on board. It's been long I say this and it's been a while, guys. It's been a while. I've been away from YouTube for such a long time, but guess what? Your girl is fully back. Like, I'm back and ready to be dropping quality content. Yes, you heard me right. Quality content. Expect hair care, makeup tutorials, collaborations with big YouTubers, and lots more. Like, for those that want to grow their hair to be long as mine. Can you see my hair? I'll be doing hair care, how to make your hair grow longer, faster, and have this quality hair. Like, I used to get messages, why are you away from YouTube? When are you posting videos? Can you do this? Can you do that? So on and so forth. And yeah, I'm fully back. So I'll be dropping videos every week. Yes, every week. And yeah, it feels so good to be back. Like, I'm super excited. I can't be here without you guys, honestly. I'm not taking it for granted, and thank you for supporting me from day one. Like, my real G, those that started with me from day one, they know what's up, guys. Wow, like, I'm super excited to be back, honestly. And please keep the love coming in, support me, watch my videos, like, share to family. I hope you enjoy my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Yes, my love, so welcome on board. Fasten your seatbelt and let's glam this life up, shall we? And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.
Drive, waves crashing on the sand as I ride the vibe. Soft rap flowing, let the rhythm collide. I'm the king of this groove with the catchy hook.